Hello everybody, this is my presentation on Black Thought and Culture database, and after this tutorial I hope that you check it out. So what is Black Thought and Culture and why use it? So you can use this database to gain a wider perspective of American history by using primary sources such as newspapers written by African Americans to gain an accurate view of the lives of Black people through American history. The scope is over 100,000 articles, newspapers, poems, etc. available to you for your research in full-text articles. It is an Alexander Press or ProQuest company database, and ProQuest is known for its quality primary resources, so I hope that you check them out for your research needs. Affordances: you can use these for school projects, personal research, inquiry clubs, etc. And the constraints is that it's not the most advanced searching available, but for high school students, I think this is wonderful for you to practice your skills before moving on to more complicated and diverse databases. It is very specific content, so if you're not looking for African American publications, this may not be the database for you at this time. And there is no audio or visual content on this database, but there is wonderful full text articles and photographs for you to view. Audience: high school students, so we're talking about 12th grade students. The goal of the database is for the viewer to begin to explore and understand what it means to be Black in America. And this is a great question for young adults to critically explore and understand Black voices. You can use this database as a window into Black culture or a mirror to see yourself. And provided for you, I have the New Jersey State Learning Standards that this database would connect to for 12th grade students. Specifically, post-war United States civil rights and social change. There's many and diverse sources for you to explore. So for the 5 quick tips, we are going to go into the database, and this is the home page that you'll be greeted with. You will see the search bar, the ProQuest company logo, different selected content, and featured content on the home page. So for here, we're going to be using Fred Hampton as an example for our search tips. So we're going to put Fred Hampton into the search bar, and we have 211 results. So for the first search tip, I'm going to show you how to search within these results to narrow your results. I am interested in learning about his assassination, so I'm going to put in death into the search bar and make sure that radio button is selected. And now we're down to 117 results, so it really selected more narrow search results so I can learn specifically about the content that I am searching for. My second search tip is to look at the left bar. We have our filters and ways to refine your search. So the second tip is to look at the hits, and the hits will tell you how many or how popular a specific search is. So for years we're in, 1970 is the most popular year. This is 1 year after his assassination. So if I click on that, now I'm down to 19 results. So now I'm getting very specific articles that pertain to what it is that I am looking for. And then my third search tip is to look at the publisher. And the publisher is a really great way to narrow your results because you can include or exclude certain results. Fred Hampton was a Black Panther, so I'm going to want to probably include the Black Panther Party newspaper, but maybe I am not too interested in some of these other ones. So if I update my search, I am now at 63 results, so it is more narrow to what I am looking for. My fourth tip is to look at the persons discussed, and this is a great way for you to make sure that the content that you are looking for is exactly what you are getting in the results. So I'm really interested in Fred Hampton, but maybe I'm not so interested in Huey Newton or Mark Clark. So I can narrow out those results and either include them or exclude them and then update them, and then I will get more or less results depending upon what I am looking for. So I made sure to include Fred Hampton, so now I'm down to 4 results with all these filters, so it's very specific. So for my 5th result, let's click on this article. My 5th tip, I'm going to show you how to really use what you get when you select an article. So you can cite, email, share with these different buttons up here. On the left, we have a full text translation of the article. And then if you look on the right, you're going to see content, but you're also going to see details. And this is really important for you to get copyright information. This is really great if you're creating your own citation or want to refer back, so you can see the publication year, the publisher, the series number, different subjects discussed, and different keywords for you to enhance your search maybe the next time if this isn't exactly what you're looking for. But this information is really important. You can even see the periodical type. So then if you click on here, after you look at your full text, you can also click on the image. So this image will bring you the actual results of the article that was published in the Black Panther Party newspaper. So you can look at the front cover, the article, the full text. You can see the different photographs that went with the article. And then once you are done, you can click out of it, and then you can go back to menu, my collections, and then you'll see all the other ProQuest Company, Alexander Press databases. Click on Black Thought and Culture, and now you are back at the home page. So I hope you like it and check it out.